beautiful morning in Alabama Hill.
We decided we're going to leave this awesome campsite, pack everything up. Let's do this. New campsite. In search of a road less traveled, we found this random road that led up into the hills. We followed it and found this great campsite. We found a fantastic stealth campsite behind us here with the canyon over behind us. Very isolated, and I'm finding there's more and more of these if you just know how to look and take some of these little side roads that look like they lead to nowhere and they lead to somewhere. This is a great little spot, and there's a creek right down the hill with fresh snow runoff water. I think the girls have gone down to the creek.
That's what we do, looking for the creek. See, I want game over here. Oh my gosh.
You may have noticed from watching previous videos, Wee Wee loves water.
Oh my god, it's so good in the face.
The colder the better, where I'm pretty much the opposite. After she washed up in the water, we decided to take a hike up into the canyon, which is the source of this water. All right, as we get back into this canyon, it just gets more pretty. We're finally up into the trees. These are cedars and some kind of pine. I don't know the pine. The trail was little used, mostly by animals, but the views were beautiful, and there's something about mountain air, clean, fresh, and cool. It was spectacular. Okay, we're getting further back. The trail's definitely getting skimpier, but it's getting closer to this canyon. What's cool about this, there is no name to this trail. It's just I don't know, it's a hiking trail somebody made. Yeah, the trail's getting a lot more sketchy. Not crazy, but this ice, this isn't soft snow, it's really hard like ice. So you can't really step on it too much. We'll keep going here. Whoa, yep, slippery. Yeah, look at this. That might be the end of the road for now. We could fight our way back a little bit, but it's not going to give us a whole lot better views. This is great. Another nice little adventure. Cool! We headed back to camp and began to cook our meal for the evening. Everyone gathering together, working together to prepare meals is such a fun part of the evening.
We have greens, herb salad that I have.
Great.
Yep. And then I put some pineapple in it. So, bon appetit.
And let the festivities begin.
When you say you feel low and good things are hard to see.
Sometimes just might find
You get
what you need.
Good morning.
Good morning. Should see the sunrise.
Cannot see it. Good morning. Today my breakfast is egg sandwich. So good. Well, hope you're here.
In our secluded camp overlooking the Owens Valley, it gave us time to reflect exactly where we were. The beauty of this area is mind-boggling. The eastern Sierra Mountains, with their stark contrast between dark granite and brilliant white snow-capped peaks, changed minute by minute as the wind continuously changed the landscape. Though our time in the Alabama hills and the eastern Sierra Nevadas was short, we filled our days with exploring, laughing, and developed a sense of peacefulness, knowing that this spectacular place and so many more are out there for those that take that one step further to find them.
So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the ring button so you get notification for our next video. Love you all. Ciao.
We're stopping at a place called Gus's Beef Jerky. We've seen it for years, but the first time we're popping in. What'd we get, honey?
I got 3 cowboy beef jerky, and one is the spicy one, sweet and spicy. It's really good.
All right, so back on the road. Another successful weekend.